Hello everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial about how to update your tax information in Google Payment Center, or you can say in Google AdSense account. So I got email from YouTube creators that immediate action needed, submit your tax information by 31st May. So in order to avoid 24% tax on my total earning, so I have to submit this information. Let's go to our AdSense account. In the top left corner you will see the 3 bars, click on that. Go to your payment section. Now here you will see red message alert bar with a message all YouTube creators and partners have to submit their tax info. We need to click on manage tax info button here. Now in order to get the payout from Google, we all make sure to provide our tax info correctly. So click on add tax info button here. Now the portal will ask you few questions about your identity. What type of account is Munish Sangra? So I am an individual identity, so I will choose individual here. Now click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? No, I am resident of India, so I will choose no here. Now select W8 tax form type. So there are two type of tax forms, W8 BEN and W8 ECI. To differentiate between both the terms, I have presented the third party info link, so you can read here. W8 ECI is to report a foreign person's income that is effectively connected with the conduct of a trade or business in the US, whereas W8 BEN is to report that income is either no effectively connected with the conduct of a trade or a business in the US. So we have to choose W8 BEN type here. Now click on start W8 BEN form. Now we have to provide our tax identity. Name of individual is already mentioned there. Second option is DBA, doing business as. So I have clicked on pop-up. Is this option is related to you? You can fill it out. Otherwise, let's move to the next option. The next field is country or region of citizenship. I belong to India, so I am going to choose India here. Fill all the information very carefully and correctly. So the next information is taxpayer identification number. So here the portal require our foreign TIN. So basically what is foreign TIN? A unique 9-digit number used to identify an individual or business entity. So we have to fill here PAN card number as a foreign TIN number. Now you will see there is another option also, that is optional, US ITIN or SSN. So we have to leave this block and click on next. Now let's move to the address part. We have to provide our permanent resident address. We have to take this checkbox. Country and region of residence we are already choose. Make sure that address is the same as you mentioned in your AdSense account and as you mentioned in your PAN card. Fill all the information very carefully and correctly. Check the spelling twice before submitting it. Now city. I belong to Jalandhar, so I am going to fill here Jalandhar. Now the pin code. And the last field is state. I belong to Punjab, so I am going to select Punjab here. Now don't forget to tick this box. Mailing address is same as permanent resident address. Now click on next. Now the tax treaties. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So there are two options, yes or no. So let me brief out about these tax treaties. So I have presented the third party link about DTAA between India and USA. DTAA is a double tax avoidance agreement, that is a treaty signed by two countries. DTAA doesn't mean that the NRI can completely avoid taxes, but it means that the NRI can avoid paying higher taxes in both the countries. Choose the yes option here. Now tick the checkbox. Resident of a country region claiming treaty with USA. First one is service such as AdSense. We have to tick this checkbox. Now we have to fill the article and paragraph. We have to select article 7 paragraph 1 and withholding rate 0% reduced treaty rate. Now tick the motion pictures and TV royalties. Here we also have to fill the article and paragraph. Article 12 paragraph 2A2 withholding rate 15% reduced treaty rate. Now under copyright royalties we again have to fill the article and paragraph. Article 12 paragraph 2A2 with holding rate 15% reduced treaty rate, and again we have to tick the checkbox reason Munish Sangra meet the terms of treaty article. Now this will provide you a document preview of the information you have provided to the Google Payment Center, and you have to confirm this and click on next. Now here we have to fill our full legal name. Now the next option is, are you the person listed in the signature section? So there are two options, one is yes and another is no. So we have to select yes here, that I am the person listed in the signature section and I am completing the form on my behalf. So the next is activities and services performed in USA. So there are two options, yes or no. We have to click on no and certified that, tick the checkbox. The next is status change affidavit. So here there are two options. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that has not received payments, and another option is I am providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payments. Like this is my new account, so I am going to choose the first option here. So if you are already receiving the payments from Google AdSense, so you can go with the second option as well. So this is my new account, I am going with the first one and submit it. Now we have successfully submitted our tax info in the Google Payment Center account. So here the status is approved, submitted on 26th May 2021, submitted by Munish Sangra. So here you can see the tax form and withholding rates, motion pictures and TV 15% claimed, other copyrights 15% claim, services 0% claims. So guys, hope you will find this tutorial informative and do fill up the form timely. See you guys in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.